Thai green chicken curry. Ingredients. For the green curry paste: ½ teaspoon ground coriander, 1 stalk lemongrass, minced, 1 thumb-sized piece ginger, grated, 3 to 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 loosely packed cup fresh cilantro leaves and stems, coarsely chopped, ½ teaspoon ground white pepper, 1/4 cup diced shallot, or purple onion, ½ to 1 green chile, sliced, 1 teaspoon shrimp paste, or 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 2½ teaspoons fish sauce, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon freshly squeezed lime juice, ½ teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 can coconut milk. For the chicken curry: 2 teaspoons peanut oil, 3/4 can coconut milk, 1½ pounds boneless chicken breast, or chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 handful green beans, or 1 small zucchini, or other vegetable of choice, 1 medium red or green bell pepper, coarsely chopped, 4 crit lime leaves, or 1 teaspoon grated limes zest, 1 generous handful fresh Thai basil, or sweet basil, optional. For serving: 4 cups cooked jasmine rice. Directions. Place all of the ingredients for the curry paste in a food processor. Use only half of the green chili. Process until all ingredients are blended and have a smooth consistency. Taste. If you'd like it spicier, add the remaining half of the green chili. Reserve. Blending ingredients in a food processor. Make the chicken curry. Gather the ingredients. Ingredients for chicken curry: warm a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the peanut oil and swirl around. Add the green curry paste. Briefly saute the mixture to release the fragrance, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Curry in a wok. Add the coconut milk to the wok. Stir well to combine. Adding coconut milk to the curry. Add the chicken pieces, stirring to incorporate. When the curry sauce comes to a boil, reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 5 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through. Stir occasionally. Chicken is added to the wok. Add the green beans, pepper, and crit lime leaves to the wok. Stir well to incorporate. Simmer until the vegetables are cooked to your liking. Taste for seasoning and adjust accordingly, either adding more fish sauce for salt or more lime juice if too salty for your taste. Vegetables are added to the curry in the wok. If using, add the Thai basil to the pan and stir well. Serve with the Thai jasmine rice on the side.